Today I'm going to show you how to take this 3-day-old wash and go and put it in a puff. Alright, so I have my aloe vera moisturizer that I showed you in a previous video. The rest of this little bit of wet line gel. It looks a little off in color because I put some oil in there. You gotta always have your oil, incorporate your oil. And my London Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Also, I'm gonna have my bristle brush, hard on one side, soft on the other. And my hair ties, whichever one is gonna work today. First, since in my aloe vera moisturizer, I gotta shake it up because I have oils and everything in there. So I'm gonna shake it up. Gonna make sure I don't spray this everywhere. If you see me looking off, I'm looking into my mirror, okay? So we're gonna spray your edges. You do not want to spray in the middle of your hair because then it's going to be all wet and icky. Just to really do the outside of it. And I got this little cheap spray bottle, I believe, from the Dollar Tree because the one I had from Dollar General just broke and I just found this one, so moisten it all up. That should be good enough. When your hair is soft and not extra dry, because you don't want your hair to be extra dry, then you're good. Take some of my Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's thick, okay? It's for thick hair because it's thick. But gonna use a little bit of this right here. It's a good thick consistency. And it's just for the top of the puff and the edges. This is probably too much, but I got a lot of hair, so we're gonna work with it. Put it around the perimeter. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it through, but the pieces on top you need to pull out like you're trying to get a big old afro going. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's a puff. Come on now. I'm gonna take my wet line that's mixed with oils. In here I have olive oil and avocado oil. I keep avocado oil, I keep olive oil, I keep grapeseed oil. Cause I put that shit on everything. No. Put it around my edges. I look a mess because I'm going to bed. Because I'm not going to have time to do this in the morning. I have too much to do before I go to work. But as much as you need, some people don't like a lot of gel on their edges. Me, it don't really matter. I work in the kitchen. Yeah, you got it in my eye. I can see. Alright, we're gonna take the hard side. We're gonna brush our hair up. I don't really care about having baby hairs or everything because my baby hairs are gonna show themselves eventually. I really don't be worried about that. Alright. I normally, if I want it super tight, super tight, I use this scrunchie that I got from the dollar store and I tie off the end because it's never tight enough. And then I double it and it hurts. Had that today, not gonna do it. This is my other one, my loose one. I'm gonna wrap it around twice. Try to gather as much of this hair in my hand as possible. Whew, honey, I know I got a big head. All right. And then you're going to just fluff it out. Like I said, this is just, so you don't have to do your hair. Me, I have a lot of hair, so if I want height, I really don't need to pick my hair because my hair is really thick. So I just pull it. Pull and shake it. Pull and shake. Pull my hair, shake it up, pull and shake to separate some of these strands. And that is my puff. This is the next day. I forgot to say, even though it's kind of self-explanatory, you want to put your bonnet on your head so you don't mess up your puff. And if you are just so geeked off on your edges, you can get you a little scarf, tie it around them edges, then put your bonnet on. Me, I really don't care about them edges because they're there. People see my edges. That's all that matters. All right, so your puff, you're going to shake it up. If you want to pick it out, you can. But like I said before, I never pick my hair out. I don't. Do you see it? No. It's okay. I already have trouble putting on one hairnet, let alone I got to wear 3 for it to fit over my head. No, I'm good. All right. And what I also like to do is people, they talk about my little size. I don't give 2 dang-ons. I pull me a little bit of hair out the sides. Just a little bit. Kind of make sure it's even as much as it can be even. All right, so I'm going to get some of my wet line with my oil mixture. Just a little bit, enough just for these little sides. Me, I like my curly Qs is what I call them. Don't know what they called. Don't care what they call. Sometimes I'll twirl them around my fingers. Sometimes I won't. It just depends. Even though I know it's straight right now, the way my hair is set up, while it's wet, my hair is straight. I don't know why my hair is straight when it's wet, but in the comment section below, who else's hair, while it's wet, has literally no curl pattern, but then when it's dry, you're walking around looking like Susie Q. Is it me, or is it just me? And my curls are disrespectful because if you can tell, this side of my head will always and forever be super curly. This side of my head is kind of wavy. I don't understand. I don't know. You'll see when I do a wash and go video. You will see the foolery that I am blessed with. Shout out to the hair gods. Yes, amen. Hello, somebody. Hello, Miss Boykin. Hey, girl. As always, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember to always be you. Naturally dope.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.